The little red car raced across the floor, zooming and speeding from door to door. Its shiny wheels spun round and round, making the happiest little sound. But one busy evening before bedtime came, the toy stayed out instead of its place in the game. The little boy forgot to put it away and left it there at the end of the day. The next morning Dad walked through the room, not expecting a toy in the morning gloom. Crunch went the car beneath his shoe, and one little wheel broke clean in two. The boy felt sad and started to cry. A tear rolled slowly from his eye. "Dad, can you help? Can we repair my favorite red car with loving care?" Dad smiled kindly and said, "Let's see. Perhaps together we can fix it neatly." They found some tools and a little glue and worked on the wheel until it was good as new. Soon the red car rolled once more, faster than it had before. The little boy cheered with great delight, his happy smile shining bright.
"Thank you, Dad,"
the youngster said. Then an important promise he made: "From now on, when my games are done, I'll put away every single one. My toys will rest upon their shelf. I'll tidy them up all by myself, so nothing gets broken, lost, or bent, and playtime stays a happy event." The little red car sped down the track, its wheel repaired and firmly back. And every night before the day was through, the boy put away all his toys too.